see, I'm gonna show you a tower that's not famous as Manakon Tower, that is worth to go there and visit there. You can go from the Pak Nam, this green line, and you can walk away like this skywalk, and you see it's a tower. I'm going to go there. And it is a little bit far from the downtown. And there you can see the river. This is the river bend. You need to walk through this skywalkway, and you can see here the tower. I like to go there. Through this pathway, and you will get your destination. This is called Parakan Tower. Inside the Parakan industrial zone.